We have breaking news coming in. This is related to the Goa fire tragedy probe. 25 people died in a fire in a restaurant, in a nightclub, and now one of the accused, Ajay Gupta, has been produced before the Rohini court. The Goa police has sought a transit remand of Ajay Gupta to take him to Goa for further investigations. And now the order has been reserved and it is awaited.
मैं स्लीपिंग पार्टनर हूँ, मुझे इसके बारे में कुछ नहीं पता।
अरे तो स्लीपिंग पार्टनर हो तो एनओसी ली थी तुम स्लीपिंग पार्टनर ही सही, लेकिन क्या तुमने एनओसी मांगी थी? तुमने पूछा था कि पैसा कहाँ लगा रहे हो?
Okay, so that was Ajay Gupta claiming that he was a mere sleeping partner. Joining us live now is India Today's Shrishti Ojha. Shrishti, do tell us what happened in the court and when can we expect some sort of an order to come as far as his transit remand is concerned?
Well, actually, the order on this issue is already out. The Goa police has been allowed transit remand by Delhi's Rohini court. So, transit remand of accused in this particular case, Ajay Gupta, has been allowed, and for 36 hours. So, Goa police will basically have 36 hours to take him from Delhi to Goa, produce him before the said court in Goa, and seek his custody if they want his police custody in this particular case. Transit remand is usually taken in cases where the FIR is registered in one case, but the police has arrested the accused from a different location. An application seeking transit remand was today today presented before Delhi's Rohini court, where Ajay Gupta was also physically produced. We saw him sit in the court. However, they couldn't confront him after the order or ask for his response because he was escorted by the security personnel from inside the court, a different route which is usually used by judges. But he is co-owner of Birch by Romeo Lane nightclub in Goa, and a very crucial arrest by the Goa police as far as this case is concerned. Now, he continues to maintain that he was merely a sleeping partner and was unaware of the alleged lapses, which in a way puts the blame squarely on the owners, the Luthra brothers. But as of now, the next 36 hours and the days after that also would be very crucial for the Goa police, because as of now they just have his transit remand, which basically means just a permission to take him to Goa, but they will have to convince the court there if they want his police custody, have to apprise the Goa court there of the developments in the investigation and why exactly do they need to question him. In a related development, we saw the bail pleas of the Luthra brothers also heard before the court today. It will continue tomorrow.
Right. Do stay on with us, Shrishti. We'll be coming back to you for more. But in Goa, after 25 lives were lost and 3 days of outrage, the noose has now finally tightened around those behind the nightclub horror. After an Interpol Blue Corner notice was issued against brothers Gaurav and Saurabh Luthra, the duo have now moved an anticipatory bail plea in Delhi's Rohini court. In their anticipatory bail plea, the duo said that they did not flee. They went to Thailand for work and can't return since they are apprehending arrest. While seeking 4-week anticipatory bail, they said they will not tamper with the evidence and will cooperate with the probe. They also said that their legal rights remain intact unless they skip return. Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant has vowed that the wanted owners will soon be arrested. He added that strict action will be taken against those who flout rules across Goa. So far, 6 people have been arrested. 3 government officials have been suspended. India Today, as you saw, confronted Ajay Gupta, who is a partner of these 2 brothers, who was arrested by cops and he claims to be only a sleeping partner with the Luthras. He said that he had no role to play in Birch nightclub fire and its running, and that he was unaware of the lapses. However, GST documents that were accessed by India Today show Ajay Gupta registered as one of the partners with Luthra brothers. Let's quickly take a listen to what Ajay Gupta claimed today.
तुम्हारी कब बात हुई थी सौरभ गौरव से?
मैं स्लीपिंग पार्टनर हूँ, मुझे इसके बारे में कुछ नहीं पता।
अरे तो स्लीपिंग पार्टनर हो एनओसी ली थी, एनओसी ली थी। तुम स्लीपिंग पार्टनर ही सही, लेकिन क्या तुमने एनओसी मांगी थी? तुमने पूछा था कि पैसा कहाँ लगा रहे हो? गोवा क्लब हादसे में क्लब के एक पार्टनर अजय गुप्ता ने आज तक से कहा कि वो सिर्फ स्लीपिंग पार्टनर था। जब गोवा पुलिस उसे गिरफ्तार करके दिल्ली के क्राइम ब्रांच के दफ्तर पहुंची तो यहां पर जब आज तक ने उसे सीधे सवाल पूछा कि आखिर वो इतने दिन तक कहां था, उसने इतने लोगों की जान गई, क्या क्लब तमाम नियमों पर चल रहा था, लूथरा ब्रदर्स कहां पर हैं, तो उसने जवाब सिर्फ एक दिया कि वो स्लीपिंग पार्टनर था, उसे कोई जानकारी नहीं है। हालांकि ये पकड़ा तब गया जब इसने कमर में दर्द बताकर लाजपत नगर के एक हॉस्पिटल में जाकर ये एडमिट हो गया। एडमिट होते ही पुलिस को जानकारी मिली, पुलिस की टीम हॉस्पिटल पहुंची और वहां पर जो भी जांच थी वो जांच हो जाने के बाद जब उसे डिस्चार्ज किया गया तो गोवा पुलिस लेकर के उसे सीधे सनलाइट कॉलोनी जो क्राइम ब्रांच का ऑफिस है वहां पर पहुंची। हाथ में उसके ड्रिप के निशान भी थे, उसने मास्क लगा रखा था। हमने लगातार उससे सवाल पूछे, पहली कि जिम्मेदारी कौन लेगा, 25 लोगों की मौत हुई है, लूथरा ब्रदर्स फरार हैं, तुम्हारी आखिरी बार बात कब हुई थी? उसने कोई जवाब नहीं दिया। जवाब दिया तो सिर्फ एक, जिससे वो पूरे मामले से पल्ला झाड़ता हुआ नजर आया कि मेरा कोई मतलब नहीं है, मैं तो स्लीपिंग पार्टनर था। आगे की जानकारी यह है कि गोवा पुलिस अब अजय गुप्ता को कोर्ट में पेश करेगी, ट्रांजिट रिमांड पे लेगी और गोवा वापस जाएगी जहां पर उससे पूछताछ की जाएगी।
The Goa police have achieved the major breakthrough through the investigations to the breach of the Romeo Lane. The blue corner notice have been issued to the Interpol. गोवा पुलिस ने 6 लोगों को ऑलरेडी अरेस्ट कर चुके हैं और बाकी भी लोग जो हैं उनको डेफिनेटली 100% हम अरेस्ट करेंगे।
Learnings which have been taken, I think the Chief Minister has reviewed. Enforcement teams from the government offices have been put across. All department secretaries and directors have been given roles identified to ensure that this type of episodes do not happen again or repetitive and things which are in that particular ambit where illegality is there. Those concerned departments need to ensure that enforcement is immediately done and things which give us part of that Goa. I would also call out to media that as we have gone through this type of episodes, we also need to proactively talk about tourism, Goa being welcoming tourist. Goa is open and Goa is safe.
And joining us once again is India Today's Shrishti Ojha. Shrishti, clearly all the 3 men who were partners in that club are now shifting blame. Ajay Gupta says, I'm just a sleeping partner, although his transit remand has finally been given. And we see the 2 Luthra brothers also applying for bail. So do take us through how the men who were behind this nightclub clearly now seem to be shifting blame.
Well, yes, you've rightly pointed out, Anjali. All 3 main persons included in this case, all 3 of these partners are now very clearly at least attempting to shift blames as far as responsible for the recent tragedies concerned. On one hand, we see Jay Gupta and day-to-day operations. We also saw the Luthra brothers today tell Delhi's Rohini court that the persons in charge were the operational managers, the person on ground, the locals there who were handling the restaurant and the hotel, and they've already been arrested. We also saw the Luthra brothers claim they're not the owner of the place, they're only the Blue Lagoon, which was the one there was in place before they even entered the picture and
Thank you very much, Srishti.